Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Windows 10 users face: high RAM, CPU, or disk usage. High resource usage can be caused by a variety of factors: excessive background processes, malware infections, outdated drivers, or even a lack of system resources. Now, let's jump into some practical solutions to fix these issues and get your PC running smoothly again. Close unnecessary programs. Right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Processors tab and close Resource Hogging Applications. Right-click on Applications and select End Task. Now we need to update system device drivers. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand System Devices. If there is a yellow triangle near any system driver, then right-click on it. Select Update Driver and choose to search automatically for drivers. Next step is to scan for malware. Open Windows Security. You can do this by typing Windows Security in the search bar next to the Start menu and selecting the app when it appears in the search results. In the Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection in the sidebar. Click on the Quick Scan button. This will scan your computer for viruses and other threats quickly. After the scan is complete, Windows Security will display the results. If any threats are found, you'll be given options to remove or quarantine them. Next step is Adjust Virtual Memory. For that, open System Properties. Right-click on this PC or My Computer on your desktop or in File Explorer. Select Properties from the context menu. In the System window, click on Advanced System Settings in the left sidebar. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory section, click on Change. Check the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives if it's unchecked. Apply changes. The next step, we need to disable startup programs. Right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup tab. Right-click on the app that you want disable and select Disable. For everything to work better, you need to restart the PC. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.